Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pratik Gupta and today we are going to discuss about frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis. It is a condition which is characterized by stiffness and pain in the shoulder joint. Our shoulder joint is formed of two bones. The one is the upper arm bone or humerus and the other is the shoulder blade or the scapula. This joint is covered by the capsule. In frozen shoulder, the capsule becomes thickened and very tight, because of which the movement at the shoulder joint gets restricted. The common symptoms of frozen shoulder are you will have pain in the shoulder which is worse at night time. There is decreased movement at the shoulder joint and you will have difficulty to do daily routine activities like combing hairs or wearing clothes. The common risk factor associated with frozen shoulder are mostly it occurs in age group more than 35 years and in people who have prolonged immobility like some injury to the shoulder joint or a fracture to the shoulder or prolonged debility because of stroke or prolonged hospital stay, or people suffering from systemic diseases like diabetes, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, cardiovascular disease or tuberculosis. Now coming to the treatment of frozen shoulder. The total treatment duration of the frozen shoulder can last from 1 to 1.5 years. So the number one point is the home remedies. You have to keep your joint active. Number two is the exercises. You have to do regular exercise for the shoulder joint. But remember that you should not do strenuous exercise for the shoulder like using some gym equipment, as it can make the pain worse. Apply heat packs because it relieves the pain. You can go for physiotherapy as they will use some modalities and some exercises for the pain relief. And you have to do the exercises, and I'll be explaining about the exercises at the end of this video. Next, your doctor can prescribe you pain medications as per your pain. They can also advise you for intra-articular injections, which gives relief for a long duration, but still they are of temporary benefit. And the last but not least is surgery, which is required very rarely, but still if you have a very severe problem in your joint, you might go for a surgery. Hello friends, today I am going to show you the exercises for frozen shoulder. In frozen shoulder, there are two kinds of exercises. The first is the stretching exercise and the second is the strengthening exercise. Before you do any exercise, you have to warm your shoulder with a hot pack, or you can take a bath for 10 to 15 minutes with a hot water. Now I am going to show you the first exercise. In the first exercise, you have to use this table and you have to lean on it like this, and then you have to swing your affected shoulder like this in a kind of a pendulum and making a diameter of 1 feet. You have to do this first clockwise 10 rounds, and then after that you have to do anti-clockwise again 10 rounds. Then after you complete your 10 rounds, you have to rest for 10 seconds. And the next exercise is the finger walk exercise. In this exercise, you will stand facing the ball like this, and you have to stand at a distance of at least 1 foot from the ball. Now with the fingers of the affected shoulder, you have to keep it on the wall at your waist level. Okay? And then you have to walk with your fingers upside the wall. You do not have to use your shoulder muscles while doing the exercise, and you have to go up. Initially you might get some restrictions because of the pain at your shoulder, but gradually you will be able to go up as far as possible. You have to do this exercise at least 10 to 20 times in a day. Now coming to the second exercise. The second exercise is the towel stretch exercise. In this you have to use this towel, which is a simple hand towel which is there at your home. In this, like your right shoulder is the affected one. So you have to hold the towel with your right hand on the back, and with your left hand, which is your normal shoulder, you have to hold the other end with that. Now in the frozen shoulder situation, your right shoulder will not be able to move properly. So with the left hand, you have to pull it towards the other side like this. You have to do this exercise for at least 10 to 20 times in a day. The fourth exercise is a cross body reach. In this exercise, you have to stretch your shoulder. Like right is my affected shoulder, so I'll just lift my arm like this by holding at my elbow. And then I have to stretch my shoulder like this. And I have to keep in this pressed position for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And then you have to relax. And you have to do this exercise for at least 10 to 15 times in a day. Now coming to the strengthening exercises. After you have done your stretching exercises, you can do the strengthening exercise. In this video, I am going to show you two strengthening exercises. Like the first one is the outward rotation exercise. In this, you can take this elastic band and you have to hold it like this with your elbows at 90 degrees in both the hands. And like right is my affected shoulder, so I have to rotate my right shoulder outwards like this and then hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. And then again I have to come back slowly. Then again you have to do it. Again hold it for 5 seconds and then come back slowly. You have to do this exercise for at least 10 to 15 times in a day. Now coming to the inward stretch exercise. In this exercise again you have to take this elastic band and you have to just hook it somewhere in the door like this. And you have to keep your shoulder like this at 90 degrees elbow position. And then again you have to just rotate your elbow inwards like this and then again relax. Then again inwards and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and then again relax. You have to do this exercise again for 10 to 15 times in a day.